Good afternoon friends, welcome to Postal Export Guru channel. Today video we will see how we can apply online for a contractual customer or how we can create a contract. Before proceed, I just request to subscribe this video so that you may get auto notification of my next video. So let's see the process. First you have to log in on the first you have to log in, and after login you will see the screen like that. So this is the screen after login. You see here in the left side there is a registered services. So in registered services we have to select bulk customer and then create contracts. After that we have to select services. I am just selecting international parcel. Actually there are many services in drop down, and these services are related to domestic mail services as well as international mail services. The international mail services, we have the international express mail service, international parcel, international registered letter, registered international small packets, international tracked packet service. So need not to choose international EMS merchandise or EMS document, because both these facility is available in international express mail service. Now I am selecting the international parcel. Then we have the two account facility. One is the national account facility and other is the circle account facility. So if you want to book at multiple location across the country, you may select national account facility. But if you intend to book in a particular state, either at single location or a multiple location, if your all locations, booking locations exist in a particular state, particular circle, then you can select circle account facility. Dear friends, there are 23 circles across the country, and each circle represents a unique state. However, some circles represents multiple states and union territories. For example, West Bengal circle represent West Bengal, Sikkim and Andaman Nicobar. Gujarat circle represent Gujarat, Daman, Diu, Dadar and Nagar Haveli. Tamil Nadu circle represent Pondicherry and Tamil Nadu circle, Tamil Nadu. Maharashtra circle represent Maharashtra and Goa state. Jammu and Kashmir circle represents Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh union territories. Kerala circle represent Kerala and Lakshadweep union territories. Many circle represents unique states, like Bihar circle represents Bihar state, Jharkhand circle represent Jharkhand state. So if your business is in a particular circle, your booking location is in particular circle, then you have to select circle account facility. And if your booking location is in multiple circle, you should select national account facility. So just I am selecting one circle account facility. Then circle name. So this is the circle where your main branch, main office exists. So just all the circles are coming in drop down. I am selecting Karnataka circle. Then I have to select region. So further circles are one circle has many regions. So one circle has multiple regions, so we can select any one region in which our address exists, and then we have to select the postal division. We are selecting Bengaluru GPO, Postal Division. Then we have to click save and continue. After that we have to mention here company name, then category means company is individual, government PSU, private organization, others. You can select others or individual or whatever may be. If your company type is aggregator, then mention here aggregator, or your company type is e-marketplace, mention here e-marketplace, or company is some private limited, mention here the private limited. Then select sector, so banking, financial, insurance, education, agriculture, healthcare, FMCG, electronics, machine goods. So many things are mentioned in the drop down. If no one is fit as per your product, you can select others and mention your exact product. So I am mentioning here garments. Then business type, business to consumer, business to business, consumer to consumer, consumer to business, business to government. So I am selecting business to consumer. Then annual turnover, I am selecting 5 lakhs to 20 lakhs. Then I have to validate Aadhaar. Then I have to mention here PAN number and validate this. After that we can mention here GST number. Dear friends, GST number is very important. If you mention here GST number, then what happened, what have you booked at the post offices, and post offices, your GST number will be reflects on your billing, and when the postmaster of that office is filing the return, then afterwards you can get the input credit of the GST you have paid on the services. Then you have to mention here name, address, and then save and continue. After that you have to mention here contract type. So there are two types of contract, advance and BNPL. Advance means is a wallet type thing, and BNPL is a book now pay later thing. When you are an advance customer, then you have to recharge your wallet first, and after that you have to use this, and at the time of booking the postage shall be deducted from your wallet, and you can check the balance of your wallet, and if you feel that balance is less, then for the booking of your next item you can always recharge. And second, BNPL, book now pay later facility, means you have to book the items and you need not to pay, it will be billed, and on billing 1 month, after booking of 1 month you will get the bill in next month, and you have to pay up to the last of the following month, last day of the following month. So I am selecting here advance. Now monthly business, what monthly business you are able to give the post office. So yeah, you have to mention here, I am mentioning here 50,000. If your business is e-commerce, then click yes, and if it is not e-commerce, then select no. Then booking location, you can always select a circle. So booking location, we have selected the circle level facility. I am just selecting Karnataka circle. Region, I am selecting Karnataka circle. If I have the multiple booking location, then I can mention here multiple location, otherwise single location, whatever may be I want, I can put here. So Bengaluru region I am selecting, then I am selecting the division and selecting the post office where I will book my item. Then I can click add location. After add location, again if I have the multiple location, then I can check, I can mention here the multiple location. Dear friends, keep one thing in your mind, that in case of the multiple location, in case of a circle level facility, circle level account facility, you have to choose multiple location within the circle. But if your account is national account facility, you can choose booking location across the country in different circles. So now I am selecting here the booking location, multiple location. Again I am selecting one more location. So as many location one want, they can select the location. In case of DNK, in case of the commercial export, you need to select only those location where डाकघर निर्यात केंद्र is identified. No other location should be chosen. After that, we have to select here the pickup location. So pickup location may be multiple. If you have multiple booking location, with respect to that, multiple pickup addresses may be exist. So if you want to put here the pickup location, then mention here the pickup address, the contact person at pickup address, contact mobile, address line 1, 2, pin code, city, town, states, you have to mention all these. If you don't want this pickup address, don't mention the pickup address, need not to here, need not to fill this RTH address, then come to the nodal office for billing and payment. So what should be the billing office? So billing office means from where the bill shall be generated for your account. So select the billing office. So billing office, I am selected Bengaluru GPO, and then payment office means in which office you want to pay the amount of your bill. Then you have to upload your signature, choose your signature file, then upload signature, and then save and continue. After save and continue, the preview will be you can able to see the preview all your information. Then click here finish, and the contract ID will be created here. So dear friends, this is the process for applying the contracts, and after applying the contracts, when the competent authority approve the contract, you will be able to book through this contract. So I hope you have understand the process of applying for contract. Please share this video among your all friends, relatives, and other exporters, so that they may know how they can be a contractual customer of DOP. In next video, I will explain the benefit of a contractual customer. So if you have any question, then don't hesitate to mention in the comment section. Thanks for watching the video.